Logitech C922.
This is the C922 webcam.
Everybody wants to see the content creator's face.
With the C922, you will get the camera itself, and you get your own very little mini tripod.
C922, it's my favorite webcam.
Here we have the C922 Pro Stream Webcam. Logitech create the best webcams I've ever used. They're the easiest to set up. It's a USB, you plug it in your computer, and you can just load it up in whatever software you're rocking.
Come to find out, the C922 actually works with an Xbox One. For all of you guys out there that have an Xbox, y'all might want to look into the C922.
It is the industry standard for a reason because it works everywhere on every rig on every machine.
Just stream from your console, especially if you're on Xbox. Get a Logitech camera, plug it in, you're good to go.
Logitech webcams are the greatest webcams ever.
Like and share if you enjoy the video and think others might benefit from this, and of course subscribe and hit the notification button if you are new to the channel and want to be notified every time I post a video.